folks, Larry Bernodis here in Fort Worth, Texas. Hope everybody's doing fine today. Welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, hey, subscribe to the channel right now. And don't forget to hit that bell, bang, and that'll let you know when I put on a video. So, hey, got a box here for you. So, these pens are from France. And a special thank you to Loretta. Thank you, Loretta, for sending me this pen for review. And this pen is really a very awesome pen. And the name of the pen called Gaia. That's Greek for
Mother Earth.
Mother Earth in this box. So, let's take a look at this. Comes cardboard sleeve. And I've done previous reviews on the Yookers pens as well. So, really nice looking. Got the logo here on top of the box. Cardboard box. But very nice looking. So here is Mother Earth's Gaia, the new fountain pen. Ta-da! Right there. Beautiful, stunning. And I'm going to use Mr. Godzilla here for a minute. And I'm going to let him hold the pen for a while. So, this is a blue black marble resin. And the personality Gaia was surely please all of those who think out of the box. So we need to get out of the box and let our minds wander. And it has a see-through ring to let you know what's inside. And it's surrounded really by this beautiful marble design resin in 3 different colored combinations. Beautiful, stunning fountain pen. And this is a felt tip pen that uses fountain pen ink. That's what's really cool. And what's really cool about Yookers fountain pens, it doesn't take a lot of pressure at all when you're using the felt tip. And these felt tips should last you, depending on the amount of pressure you put, around 2 years. And you can get affordable different size tips. And the size of the tip would be extra fine, which is a 0.8. A fine is a 1.0. A medium, 1.2. And a broad is a 1.4 tip. Got the gun plating. And it uses short international ink cartridges and an ink converter, so you got 2 options there. You got the twist cap, and the material, like I said, is resin. And the weight of the pen is empty 22 G's. Now the length of the pen, closed as you see it, is 13.3 centimeters, and then open is going to be 15.4 centimeters. So this is a lot of pen, beautiful fountain pen. So let's open this beautiful pen up, but right here you're going to see Yookers' name right there. Just look at this pen. Stunning, beautiful. It is really just a cool looking fountain pen. So let's open it up. As you can see here, there is a cartridge there. Unscrews. And it does post securely. Fits nicely in the hand. Doesn't feel top heavy at all. For those who don't want to post. I have small hands, so this fits perfect. So if you have real large hands, you might want to post it. But it looks really nice, I think, if you post a pen. Because that's how I would use it anyway. So as you go down the barrel, beautiful ink window. You come down to the grip section. There's just a slight little step off right there, but no biggie. And you got a decent size of a grip. and I hold it here, or I could hold it right here, and nothing's going to be annoying to the fingers, nothing uncomfortable, all is going well. And as you go off the grip section, there and the end is the tip, the felt tip right there for you. Okay, so felt tip, not a metal tip, felt tip. Big difference. Let's unscrew the barrel. So I can use a converter, or I can use the cartridge, right? So while I have the cartridge out, I'm going to go ahead and use it. Why not, right? And I believe this is black ink. Hear that little pop? I mean, it's going to go in. Went in fine, no problems. And while we're at it, for those who like to ink drop it, let me check this out real quick. It looks like it's going to be able to be an ink dropper as well. Put a little silicone grease and you're good to go. And give it a few seconds. It should be about ready to go. And let me get some paper here.
Did you purchase this from Yookers themselves, or did it come through a dealer?
Yookers themselves, Loretta sent it to me.
Okay, I'm going to do something brand new here. This is going to be a giveaway from me. A $20 gift certificate to Yookers, because of the similarity in names here. For the first person who can name me the book where a Yookoohoo was first mentioned.
Wow, you heard it. Mr. Announcer is going to give a $20 gift certificate for the first person who can name
the book where the Yookoohoo was first mentioned.
Can you do that? Okay, so how long do they have?
Oh, I'm sure we can manage about 48 hours.
48 hours, start today. Today is 6:41 p.m. Central Time, Saturday, January 9th, 2021. So you only have 48 hours. So let's get to writing here. $20. I can go for that. So here we go.
You're ineligible.
Oh, man. Okay. Anything. This is really a gorgeous fountain pen. So let's see how we're going to do here. Look at that already. Give me a G. Give me an A. Give me an I. And give me an A.
And what size is the tip on this one?
This one is going to be a 1.0, which is going to make it a fine nib. 1.0 tip. Beautiful writer. Woo, it's nice. Fine. This is gorgeous. And this is the Yookers black ink. And this is just no pressure at all. I'm not using any pressure whatsoever. and it just glides along. Look at that. Witness. It's got a little bit of witness. Beautiful. So, what's your comments about this stunning pen from Yookers? Oh, how much is the pen, you asking? $89.90. So, some people may say, what? But you know what? You're going to get your money's worth out of this one. It really is just a beautiful fountain pen. And it writes fabulous. So, later I'll do an update. I'll get a converter. I'll do one with a converter in it. Then I'll do another update on this pen, and I'm going to make it to an eyedropper. So I got a whole lot of fun things going on with this pen. So that's going to wrap up with this pen right now. And I'll have another Yookers coming up very, very soon. So you want to stay for this next Yookers coming up. Got you covered. So thank you for joining me today on Larry's Fountain Pens Reviews. I had a blast doing this. This is a sweetie, beautiful fountain pen. Yes, I'm excited. Yeah, I'm a fountain pen lover. I'm also I like nice pens that write well. It's all about what's under the hood. And what's under this hood delivers for me. You know, I do like some ballpoint pens, gel pens. I do love the felt tips as well. One more thing. The colors, as you saw, the blue, black, the orange, black marble, and they have a beautiful, stunning red, black marble resin as well. So check them out. So later. That's going to do it. A lot of peace, lots of love, follow the rules, and as always, please don't text and drive.
And send your answer to Larry's email address in the description box. First one wins.
48 hours starting now.